A comma is a punctuation mark. A comma looks like this. We use a comma when we write the date, like July 4th, 2016. The comma separates the day and the year. We use a comma to write an address, like Chicago, Illinois, Dallas, Texas, or New York, New York. The commas separate the city and state. Commas are also used when you write a letter. A comma is used after the greeting. For example, Dear Mr. Jones. A comma is also used in the closing of a letter, like Sincerely, Jennifer. We also use commas to separate adjectives in a sentence. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. In this sentence, the boys rode the fast, exciting roller coaster. The words fast and exciting are adjectives that describe the roller coaster. Because the words are next to each other, we use a comma to separate them. The pizza is hot, spicy, and delicious. In this sentence, a comma is placed between the adjectives hot and spicy. The word and is not an adjective, so you don't need a comma before the word delicious. In this sentence, the butterfly is a gentle, beautiful insect. The words gentle and beautiful are adjectives that are next to each other in the sentence, so we need to place a comma between them. If we wrote the sentence like this, the butterfly is a gentle and beautiful insect. We don't need a comma. That's because the words gentle and beautiful are not next to each other. They're separated by the word and. We use commas to separate nouns in a sentence too. A noun is a person, animal, place, thing, or idea. For example, Mom needs lettuce, tomatoes, and peppers to make a salad. Commas are used to separate the list of nouns, lettuce, tomatoes, and peppers. Without using commas, the sentence is more difficult to read. Commas help make the sentence easier to understand. Ava, Bella, James, and Joe ride their bikes down the path. Place commas between the names in the sentence. A comma goes after Ava, Bella, and James. Since the word and isn't a noun in the list, you don't need to put a comma after it. The little puppy, the striped kitten, and the yellow chicks all got along. In this sentence, it's important not to separate the adjectives from the nouns they describe. A comma goes after little puppy and after striped kitten. Commas are used to separate verbs in a sentence too. A verb is a word related to actions and events. For example, in this sentence, there are 3 events. The pitcher holds the ball, lifts his leg, and throws. The comma needs to be placed between each event. He holds the ball, lifts his leg, and throws. Learning about commas helps you to communicate with other people. Whether you're writing an essay or reading a book, understanding proper use of commas helps people to better understand each other.